Okay, so I have a 840 points breadboard over here. As you can see, it is quite large. Today I will explain what a breadboard is and how it works. So a breadboard basically is a board where you can connect wires and components. It works with jumper wires. This breadboard has 4 parts: 1, 2, 3 and 4. This breadboard is used to connect components without soldering them and place them perfectly. So let's understand about the 4 parts. This is the first part and this is another identical part. So these 2 parts have connections vertically. They go vertically this way. And these 2 parts are also identical and their connection goes horizontally this way. Okay. So now this, as you can see, is a partition between the different parts. This breaks the flow of the current and these also break the flow of the current. So thank you.